Last month market has performed exceptionally well and better than our expectation. Nifty has made its all-time high, however Bank Nifty still needs to make a bigger move. We have checked history thoroughly before making this video. In the month of June, stock market around the world has never given a retracement or panic selling in the past. Monthly chart has been checked and we will discuss in detail. Hey guys, welcome to another episode from Vega Stocks. In this video, we will discuss and analyze monthly chart of Bank Nifty. But before we start, a disclaimer, this video is only for educational purposes and we do not provide any tips or recommendations. And if you are new, then please like, share and subscribe to this channel. Hit the bell icon so that you get notified as soon as we upload our next video. We'd also like to inform you that we analyze all the parabolics of market before posting our video. All the information shared by us is available in public domain and can be referred if required. So without wasting much time, let's start today's video. As you can see the screen, this is a monthly chart of Bank Nifty, and as you can see, it has given a breakout. In fact, it has retested its swing high and has given a closing above that. This is a perfect and classical example of price action for technical analyst. We always say that once there is a breakout, price will definitely retest that level and will allow a fresh buyers to join and then make a bigger move to the upper side. As you can see the screen, 32,200 was the level of breakout and price action has retested this level again, and then it is now ready to make a bigger move to the upper side. If there is not a bad news or negative sentiments in the market, you will see Bank Nifty crossing 36,000 or even 37,000 in near future. So monthly view is bullish. Now what is the target that we can expect? As per technical view, you can expect a target of 38,500 levels, but we suggest to expect a target at least up to 37,600. Thereafter, you can continue to hold your position till the time you don't see a negative price action or reversal signal. So now there might be a question, then how to trade? Okay, so allow the price action to cross 35,000 and 350. After that you can make your fresh position. As you remember, on Friday after crossing 35,000, Bank Nifty has taken a good rest. So I'm expecting it to be sideways for Monday as well. If it does, then Tuesday we might see a good directional movement to the upper side, maybe to 35,500 to 35,800 levels. Bank Nifty has around 2,000 to 2,500 points of rally to make if we compare this with Nifty. As said earlier, Nifty has already made a new high, so it's time for Bank Nifty to show its potential. I don't see any pullback in Bank Nifty till the time it doesn't touches 36,000 or close to 36,000 levels. We also request you to keep an eye on volume, and if you see good increase in volume at 35,200 levels or 35,300 levels, then this will also indicate you of a bigger movement to the upper side. Make sure that you follow the trend line and never trade against the trend line. I hope I have covered all the points, but if I missed anything, then do let me know in the comment box and hit the like button. If you like this video, then please appreciate my effort by sharing and subscribing to this channel. Keep sharing to your friends, families and colleagues so that they also get benefited. We will continue to bring such videos on a daily basis. We will also upload learning videos for someone who's a fresher. We would also request you to make sure that if you are a beginner, never trade in Bank Nifty. Rather, you can start trading from Nifty or from Fin Nifty. We also request you that if you are a beginner, make sure that you go through the Investopedia, and if you want you can go through Zerodha Versity. I'm not promoting them, but these are two important learning material that can be referred as a beginner. Thank you very much for your support and happy trading.